Hello students, welcome back. Previous class we solved practice set 1.2. We also studied their types of set. Today we will solve practice set 1.3, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. But before we will study Venn diagram. Here we will study subset, complementary set and universal set. So let's start our today's session with Venn diagram. So here our today's topic, first topic is Venn diagram. So here, what is Venn diagram? Venn diagram is a representation of all the possibility of representing set in a particular diagram like a square, polygon, hexagon and so on. Okay. So here the definition for what is Venn diagram. So here a diagram used to represent all possible relation of different set. Venn diagram can be represented by any closed figure, whether it is be a circle or a polygon, square, hexagon, etc. Okay. So here Venn diagram is what? Venn diagram is a representation which show the possible relationship of different type of a set. Different type of a set. For example, here see, if A is equal to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 curly bracket close. Now here we have to show this element. We have to show all these element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside Venn diagram. So what we will do, first we will draw a Venn diagram, this oval, and here we will write A. A is a set. Okay. So set of A is carry how many elements? 5 elements. So inside this oval we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is representing Venn diagram. So set A is shown by Venn diagram. Venn diagram represents set A. Is that clear? Venn diagram represents set A. So here this Venn diagram, there is a one history. Here John Venn is the first mathematician who gave the mathematical form to logic and probability. His famous book is Logic of Chance. Now he is a mathematician. He is the first mathematician who gave mathematical form, that is logic and probabilities. He is the person who says that first to use closed figure to represent set. Now here he said that Venn diagram is a figure to represent set. Is that clear? Venn diagram is a figure to represent a set. Figure means what? Which type of a figure? Polygon, square, hexagon. Okay. So these all are figure. He said that it will help to represent the set. Now here, Venn diagram are very useful in order to understand, illustrate the relation among set and to solve example based on set. So here one example is given and the second example is here. B is equal to curly bracket x such that minus 10 is less than x and minus 10 is less than x and minus 10 is less than x and x is less than equal to 10. Minus 10 is less than equal to x and x is less than equal to 0. X is less than equal to 0 is an integer. Venn diagram given alongside represent the set B. Venn diagram helps to represent set. Now here we have to draw a rectangle and here minus 10 is smaller number. That means minus 9 is greater than minus 10. Minus 8 is greater than minus 9. Minus 7 is greater than minus 8. Similarly, all the number till 0. See here 0 is greater than minus 1. Minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Here minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. All the sets, all the elements are present in set B, and this B here, this Venn diagram represents set B. Venn diagram represents set B. Now let's proceed. Here let us understand the use of Venn diagram from the following example. That is A is equal to curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, curly bracket close. Now here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have to show all these elements. We have to show all these elements inside Venn diagram. These all elements are here. A is the set of set A is equal to what are the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have to show all these elements inside Venn diagram. So here what we will do, first we have to write A is shown by Venn diagram. Now here we have to draw one oval, that is our Venn diagram. Now here see this oval, yes. Now see this carefully, this red oval, red circle. This circle will represent, all these elements. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we will write here inside this Venn diagram. After drawing this circle, we will put all these elements inside this circle. 2, 4, one by one, 2, then 4, 6, 8, 10, and here we will write A. Why? Because A is the set. So here set A carries how many elements? 5 elements. Which are there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and they all are even natural number. So here A is shown by Venn diagram. Students, now let's study and understand what is subset. Subset is when all the elements are contained in another set. A subset means all the elements which are contained in another set is known as subset. Now here, if every element of set A is also the member of set B, if every element of set A is also a member of set B, then A is subset of B. For example, here we write this A subset B. This is a symbol of subset. Now here first see this example. If A is equal to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, curly bracket close. Here set A carries 5 elements, whereas set B carries 10 elements. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All these 10 elements. See here set B carries 10 elements, and here set A carries 5 elements. Now all these 5 elements are present in set B. All these 5 elements are present in set B. So A is subset of B because this B is containing all the elements of A. B containing all the elements of A. So here we say that A is contained in B, A is contained in B, and B is containing all the elements of set A. Yes, all the elements of A is there are present in set B. Okay, all the elements of A is present in set B. So here every element of set A is also element of set B. Every element of set A is also an element of set B. So here A is subset of B. This symbol is known as subset. So A subset B. This can be represented by Venn diagram. So here we will draw one oval. See here. First we will draw this oval. Inside that oval we will draw one circle. This red circle. This red circle is this A. Set A. This red circle is for set A. This red circle represents set A. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will write all these numbers here. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No need to put here comma. Directly we write here number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we will write set A. Is that clear? Now after that, after completing this, outside the red circle, we will write here the remaining numbers. That is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here we will write set B, that is universal. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And here we will write set B. Set B. So set B carry all the element of set A. Set B carry all the element of set A. So set B contain all the element of set A. Is that clear? So here this can be represented by Venn diagram. This is the representation of set A and set B. So Pay attention. If A and B are two given sets, if A and B are two given sets, and every element of set B, if A and B are two given set and every element of set B is also an element of set A, that means A and B, where B contain all the elements, here A contain all the element of B. A is containing all the element of B, that means A subset B and B also subset A. Okay, so here why B, here every element of B is an element of A. So here we will say B subset A, it is written as B complement is a subset of A complement, or B complement subset of A complement. Now here A is equal to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 curly bracket close. Now here this A carry how many elements? 8 elements. And B carry how many elements? 4 elements. Now this B is carrying all even natural number and A is carrying natural number which starts from 1. So here we will draw one circle. Inside this circle we will write 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, and here inside this B, first we will draw B circle B, and in that we will put here 2, 4, 6, 8 even natural number, and outside this circle we will put odd natural number, that is 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, and here all this A and all this element of A and all this element of B. So B element of B are present in set A. Set B elements are present in set A. So every element of set A, every element of set B is also an element of set A. So here every element of set B is also an element of set A. That means B subset A. Why? Because B में जितने भी एलिमेंट्स है वो सबके सब A में प्रेजेंट है. ठीक है? See here 2, 4, 6, 8 is there in set of A. So here every element of set B is also an element of set A. That means B subset A. This can be represented by Venn diagram as shown above. Okay? So here this is the representation of Venn diagram of set A and set B. Now let's proceed. Here, next example. Example number 1. N is equal to set of natural numbers and I is equal to set of integer. Here, N is equal to set of natural number and I is equal to set of integer. Now, natural number are those numbers which start from 1. And integer are those which carry positive as well as negative number. Okay, so here we will write solution. N is equal to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, so here we will write 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3. 3 dots means this 3 ellipses means continuation infinite numbers are there in natural number. So curly bracket 1, 2, 3. Dot dot dot, close the curly bracket. Okay, now here I is equal to set of integers. So here positive and negative both the numbers should be there. So here we will write I is equal to curly bracket 3 dot comma minus 3 minus comma minus 2 comma minus 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 curly bracket. No, here dot 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 and then curly bracket close. So here see. You can see here. You can see this here. I is equal to curly bracket dot 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 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 and lastly here 3 dot technique continuation curly bracket close. Here N is the element of I. N is the element of I because all natural numbers are integer. Here, all natural numbers are integer. So, N is the element of I because all natural numbers are integer. understand what is universal set. Here, universal set is a set which carries all the elements. Universal set is the set which carries all the elements. That means it carries all elements. For example, natural number, whole number, integer, all the elements are known as universal set. For example, natural numbers start from 1, but we don't know which number is the last number. It is infinite. So 1, 2, 3, all are universal set. Okay. Similarly, whole numbers start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, all are infinite. And integer is negative as well as positive. So integer is a part of whole number and whole number is a part of natural number. So there is a connection between them. Is that clear? So now let's study and understand what is universal set. So here the definition for universal set is universal set is the set of all elements under consideration. That means all elements it is including. Okay, it includes all the elements. Okay, for showing universal set, it denotes U. Okay, universal set denotes U. This U means universal set. While solving practice set na, that time this U stands for universal set. All other sets are subset of universal set. That means all other sets are subset of universal set. For example, A is natural number, B is whole number. That means A is subset of B. Similarly, C is integer. That means whole number is subset of integer. That means B is subset of C. Is that clear? So here all other sets are subset of universal set. यानी कि सबसेट का मतलब ये होता है कि हमको देखना है कि कॉमन कौन से है, कॉमन कौन से एलिमेंट है यूनिवर्सल सेट के अंदर. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यूनिवर्सल सेट कैरीज नेचुरल नंबर 1 to 20, ओके, और उसमें से हमको बताना है a जो है a इज इक्वल टू 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. सो व्हाट इज दिस 2, 4, 6, 8, 10? दे आर even natural number. They are even number na, because they are divisible by 2. Even natural number. So even natural number are set of universal set, are subset of universal set. Is that clear? So same like that we will use example here. So here see here universal set. Just a minute. Yes, all other sets are subset of universal set. Okay, so here example, if given is U is equal to, U stand for universal, U denote universal. Here U is equal to opening curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 curly bracket close. See this is a set of universal set, and A is equal to curly bracket 1, 2, 5, 6. So A carry how many elements? A carry 4 elements, and B carry how many elements? 2 elements, that is 3, 9. So now let's check which is subset of A is subset of U. Why? Because A carry how many elements? 1, 2, 5, 6. All are there in U. Okay, that means A is subset of U. At the same time, B is also subset of U. See here, B carry how many elements? 2 elements, that is 3 and 9. And this 3 and 9 are there in set U. That is 3 and 9 here. Okay, so now we have to show this U, A and B. Set U, set A and set B in Venn diagram. So draw Venn diagram to represent set. So this set we will show in Venn diagram. So first we will draw one rectangle. Okay, so this rectangle name is U, that is universal. It carries all the element of set A and set B, and उनके अलावा जो और एलिमेंट है, ठीक है, अदर एलिमेंट, वो भी इसमें होंगे. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले we will draw here 2 circles, that is circle A and circle B. See here circle A and this is circle B. Circle many element? That is set A carry how many element? Set A carry 4 element. That is 1, 2, 5 and 6. So we will show this 1, 2, 5 and 6 inside circle A. So 1, 2, 5 and 6. Is that clear? Now B carry 2 element. That is 3 and 9. So here we will show 3 and 9 inside B circle. So here 3 and 9. Apart from this number, there are some numbers which are not in circle A and which are not in circle B. Which are those numbers? The circle A may be nahi hai, circle B may be. So there are 3 numbers जो कि ना circle A में है ना circle B में. So which are the number? They are 4, 8 and 7. 4, 8 and 7 are not in set A and set B. So we will write outside circle A and outside circle B. Those numbers, that is 4, 8 and 7. Is that clear? So here A represent 1, 2, 5, 6 and B represent 3 and 9. Okay, and outside the bracket 4, 8, 7. That is coming universal set. So here this is representing, this Venn diagram representing set U, set A and set B. In this way we solve this example. Let's see some other example. Let's solve some other example. Here see example number 1, which is this example is there in your textbook. Example number 1. Suppose we want to study the student in class 9 who frequently remain absent, then we have to think of all students of class 9 who are in the school. So all the students in a school or the student of all the division of class 9 in the school is the universal set. That means here in our school 9th standard के there are how many division? There are 4 division. Okay, division A, division B, division C and division D. Okay, now each division carries certain number of students. Okay, now A division carry 45 students, B division carry 45 students, C division carry 45 students and D division carry 45 students. All divisions are carrying equal number of students. Now here, if in A division 45 students में से है ना, there are 2 students जो हमेशा कंटिन्यू हमेशा एब्सेंट रहते हैं. ठीक है, तो उनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी उनका एक अलग डेटा रहेगा. B डिवीजन में there are 5 students, so 2 plus 5. Similarly C डिवीजन में 2 and plus 5 7. Okay, now 7 7 40. These 40 students continue remaining absent. So 180 students में से there are 40 students who are remaining who are continue absent. Who are continue absent. So who remain absent. So उनका जो केस है वो कैसे कंसीडर किया जाएगा? First we will draw one rectangle और inside rectangle हम एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे और उसमें हम शो करेंगे नंबर ऑफ एब्सेंट स्टूडेंट और एक ग्रेटर सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे जिसके अंदर हम ये रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट. ओके, सो 180 में से 14 स्टूडेंट हमको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, तो जो रिमेनिंग स्टूडेंट है वो ग्रेटर सर्कल में हम शो करेंगे. ऐसा करके हम वेन डायग्राम को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. इज दैट क्लियर? तो ये हमारा एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1 था जहाँ पर हमने ये देखी कैसे यूनिवर्सल सेट. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ लेट्स स्टडी द सेकंड एग्जाम्पल. लेट अस सी अनदर एग्जाम्पल हियर. A cricket team of 15 students is to be selected from a school. Here all the students from school who play cricket is the universal set. A team of 15 cricket players is a subset of the universal set. Generally the universal set is denoted by U and the Venn diagram is it represented by the rectangle. Now here see, same like the first one. First draw rectangle, all students in school who play cricket and inside that team of cricket players. Okay, all students, listen यहाँ पर क्रिकेट तो सारे स्टूडेंट्स खेलते हैं. यस, क्रिकेट तो सब स्टूडेंट खेलते हैं, लेकिन उनमें से कुछ सिलेक्टेड टीम होंगी जो काफी अच्छा खेलते हैं. ठीक है, तो उनकी एक पर्टिकुलर टीम है, तो टीम ऑफ क्रिकेट प्लेयर. ओके, ना टीम ऑफ क्रिकेट प्लेयर जो है उनका एक स्कूल के इसके अंदर आपको बताना है इनसाइड एक पर्टिकुलर सेपरेट सर्कल करके टीम ऑफ क्रिकेट प्लेयर, और उसके जो आउटसाइड है वहाँ पर बताना है आपको ऑल स्टूडेंट इन स्कूल हु प्ले क्रिकेट. Is that clear? And inside this rectangle, outside this rectangle, you have to show this U symbol. That means U stand for universal set. Is that clear? That means all students in school who play cricket outside the circle, and inside the circle you have to show how many students who are the team of the cricket player. Okay, so team of the cricket player. Here we have to show team of the cricket player, and outside this circle we have to show all students in school who play cricket. Is that clear? Now next slide. Here, complement of a set. Complement of a set. Suppose U is a universal set. Suppose U is a universal set, and if B is subset of U, this symbol is known as subset. If B is subset of U, then set of all elements in U which are not in set B is called complement of B. Is that clear? Suppose U is the universal set. Here U is the universal set and B is subset of universal set. B is subset of universal set. For example, U carries U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whereas B is equal to 2 and 3. So that means B is subset of U. 2 and 3 is common na, in set U. So B is subset of U. The set of all elements in U which are in set B is called complement set. That means अगर B के elements अगर U के पास है तो वो क्या होगा? Complement set है. It denotes by B complement. This symbol is known as complement. B complement, or B, this C is also represent complement. Anyone which we can use. Okay? Anyone which we can use here. So here B complement is defined as B complement is equal to curly bracket X such that X is the element of universal set and X is not element of B. X is not element of B. X is element of U but X is not element of B. यानी कि X के पास जो numbers है, X के पास जो elements है वो B में included है. B में B consider U consider करता है. X के पास जो element है वो U के पास है, वो U consider करता है. But X के पास जो element है वो B में नहीं है. ये हमको यहाँ पर show करना है. So here one example. U is equal to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 curly bracket close. Now here A is equal to curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 curly bracket close. Now here A and U. Here A and U. Complement बताना है हमको. तो A is the complement of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 curly bracket close. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 curly bracket close. Now this number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 ये नंबर जो है वो क्या है? A के पास ये नंबर है और वो U में भी है, लेकिन ये जो नंबर है वो A में नहीं है. ठीक है, तो वो किस में चला जाएगा? एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट में चला जाएगा. Is that clear? See here, U के जो नंबर है वो सेम नंबर A के पास है. ठीक है, तो A जो है वो सबसेट किसके है? U के है, क्योंकि all these number are there in universal set. But इनके अलावा जो नंबर बच जाते जैसे कि 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 ये जो नंबर्स है वो A में नहीं है. So what we will do? We will show in separate. That is A complement is equal to curly bracket 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 curly bracket close. Is that clear, students? Now let's solve example number 2. Example number 2. Suppose U is equal to curly bracket 1, 3, 9, 11, 13, 18, 19 curly bracket close. Now here how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are total 7 elements. Okay, and this is a universal set. U stand for universal set. And here B is equal to curly bracket 3, 9, 11, 13 curly bracket close. Now see student, B बी के पास जो एलिमेंट्स है ना वो सारे के सारे एलिमेंट यू में प्रेजेंट है। ये बी के सारे एलिमेंट्स यू में प्रेजेंट है। सी हियर बी के पास 3, 9, 11 एंड 13 है ना, ये यहाँ पर भी है, यू में भी है। सी हियर 3, 9, 11 and 13 all elements are present in universal set. All elements of B are present in universal set. But इनके अलावा जो नंबर बच जाते हैं ना वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट कहलाते हैं, वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट सेट होते हैं। जैसे कि 3, 9, 11, 13 बी के सेट में है, सेट बी के है, तो इनके अलावा भी कौन से नंबर बच चुके हैं, तो वो 1 है, 18 है, ठीक है, 19 है, ये 1, 18, 19 ऐसे नंबर्स है जो सेट बी में नहीं है, तो वो किस में आएंगे, वो बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट में आएंगे, कॉम्प्लीमेंट बी में उसको हम देंगे। सेट किया, तो बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज इक्वल टू कर्ली ब्रैकेट 1, 18, 19 कर्ली ब्रैकेट क्लोज। सेट किया 1, 18, 19 कर्ली ब्रैकेट क्लोज। These number are not there in set B. ओके, ये नंबर रिमेनिंग नंबर है बी के अंदर। बी के नंबर सब रिमूव कर दिए ना यू में से, तो जो नंबर बच जाते हैं वो बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट में आते हैं। सेट किया, बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट और बी both are different. Always remember they cannot be equal. B and B complement are always different. They cannot be equal. So here find B complement of B. हमको यहाँ पर ये भी फाइंड करना है, B is the complement of B and draw the inference. हमको इसका inference draw करना है। तो B complement B जो है ना वो कुछ नहीं बल्कि ये B है, ठीक है। तो इसके अंदर से जो सारे नंबर्स यानी कि इसके ये सारे नंबर्स को रिमूव करने के बाद जो नंबर रहते हैं ना वो बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट होते हैं। इज दैट क्लियर? तो हम यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे देखना, सबसे पहले हम एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे जिसके अंदर हम बी के एलिमेंट्स देंगे। सी हियर वी आर शोइंग ऑल द एलिमेंट ऑफ बी इन दिस सर्कल। ओके, नाउ इनके अलावा जो नंबर बच चुके हैं वो कौन से हैं, 1, 18, 19। तो ये जो नंबर है वो हम बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट में देंगे, 1, 18, 19। नाउ दिस बोथ बी एंड बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट ये दोनों ही पार्ट है यू का, ये दोनों ही पार्ट है किसका, यू का, क्योंकि ये बी के एलिमेंट और बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट के एलिमेंट यूनिवर्सल सेट में प्रेजेंट है। इज दैट क्लियर? बी और कॉम्प्लीमेंट बी इक्वल नहीं है, बट बी और यू का रिलेशन है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट बी और यू का भी रिलेशन है। इज दैट क्लियर? सो इन दिस वे वी सॉल्व, find B complement of complement and draw the inference. So see this, we have drawn this inference universal set inside the rectangle. Draw circle, represent this 3, 9, 11 and 13 and apart from this number इनके अलावा जो नंबर बच जाते हैं वो कौन से है, 1, 18 and 19. So they are B complement of complement. Okay, they are B complement. Now here B complement of complement, this is known as B complement of complement, is the set of elements which are not B complement but in U. B complement में नहीं है, B complement of B is not in set U. ठीक है, ये B और B complement और B का कोई रिलेशन नहीं है, they are not equal, but वो दोनों यूनिवर्सल सेट के साथ रिलेट करते हैं। So understanding this concept with the help of Venn diagram, complement of the complement is the given set itself. Complement of complement is the given set itself. See here, set B and complement B and complement B is here. So both are related with universal set. Now let's learn property of complement set. Okay. Now here there are 4 properties. Total 4 properties are here. So one by one we'll study. No element are common A and A complement. This symbol is known as A complement. Now A and A complement, there is no equal. Okay, there is no equal element. There is no common element. So they both are different. A is different and A complement is different. No element are common in A and A complement. First property done. Now second property, A subset U. A subset U. एलिमेंट ए का, दोनों का ही रिलेशन यूनिवर्सल सेट के साथ है, बट ये दोनों का आपस में कोई रिलेशन नहीं है. They both are different. They both are different. A and complement A. Both are different, but they have relation with universal set. Now, third property. Complement of U is empty set. Complement of U is empty set. अभी हम क्या बोला है, U का जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट है ना, कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ U है ना, वो क्या कहलाता है, एम्प्टी सेट. और एम्प्टी सेट को क्या डिनोट करता है, यूनिवर्सल कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज इक्वल टू नल सेट. क्योंकि ऐसा कोई एलिमेंट नहीं है जो यूनिवर्सल सेट में नहीं है. ठीक है, यूनिवर्सल सेट कैरी ऑल द एलिमेंट, और अगर नहीं करेगा, कोई नया एलिमेंट रहेगा, तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, नल सेट होगा. इज दैट क्लियर? यूनिवर्सल सेट में सारे एलिमेंट होते हैं. सिमिलरली यूनिवर्सल कॉम्प्लीमेंट में कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं रहते, तो यूनिवर्सल कॉम्प्लीमेंट कैसा होता है, नल सेट होता है. सिमिलरली यूनिवर्सल यू जब रहेगा तो वो क्या करेगा, इट कैरी ऑल द एलिमेंट, बट यूनिवर्सल कॉम्प्लीमेंट डू नॉट कैरी एनी एलिमेंट, सो इट इज नल सेट. Universal complement is null set. Always remember this. Complement of U is empty set, of universal set is null set. Now complement of empty set is U, complement of empty set is universal, that null set is equal to U. Null set complement is equal to क्या आएगा, U आएगा. Is that clear? Now this property we will use when we will solve practice set 1.3. So in this way we finish the complement of set. Okay, so we studied here what we have studied. We have studied universal set, we have studied here Venn diagram, and also we have studied here complement set and its property. So now let's start